regions in the broadcast area. Stay tuned for further information. Environnement Canada a émis un bulletin de conditions météorologiques importantes pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Environment Canada has updated a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Ontario at 4:22 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Tuesday, May 13, 2014. A severe thunderstorm warning is issued for Sarnia, Petrolia, western Lambton counties. A severe thunderstorm warning is continued for Windsor, Leamington, Essex County. A severe thunderstorm watch is continued for Chatham, Kent, Rondo Park, Windsor, Leamington, Essex County, Watford, Pinery Park, eastern Lambton County.